What is that? That's bad boy, huh? No. Do not pull. Come here. No. Alright, so it's the morning after. We're doing the third or fourth round of bleach. My hair's not falling off, so that's a good thing. You know when you put your hand in a bag of Cheetos and you have a Cheeto dust on it? That's what it feels like when my hair's dry. So. We're on bleach number... We were an ashy gray for like the entire day, and I wanted to go a little lighter, so...
Oh my god, you caught that on video! That's so embarrassing. I was like, and you just started laughing. I was like, what are you laughing at? I see your camera. I was like, oh goodness.
What is that? It's fucking orange. How the fuck did I make that sound? Trying out purple shampoo. I think I'm leaving it on for 8 minutes. We're on minute 4. And then if it doesn't work well, I'll resort to dyeing my hair gray again. Which I'm not looking forward to, but we'll see. My shirt is soaked. And my hair is dead. Just like my hopes and dreams. And my college education. Subscribe! Currently dyeing the edges of my head. Last time I did my hair gray, we didn't really get the edges, and my head was half orange, half like ashy brown. That's not what we're going for this time. So we're gonna try to do just the edges first, wait till that comes out in like 20-30 minutes, and then we're gonna dye the whole head. Hopefully that evens it out, because this will probably be a darker color than the rest of the top. And if that doesn't work, well, I'm fucked, and this is the last time I'm fucking up my hair.
Ah! It's twin now!
Alright, so now all we're gonna do is wait for purple shampoo to do its magic. Much better than last time. It's a little less brown, a little less brassy, but there was still a little bit more yellow on the side, so. Transition! That was fucking lame, I'm so sorry. We'll take that back, just rewind and act like it didn't happen. So I went through 2.5 hours of editing and like 60+ gigs of footage, and I realized I didn't record an outro, like at all. I went through that whole thing and then I just left it there. I guess that's what happens when you're a professional YouTuber, you forget that you need to record outros. I would rate the past like 3 days a 4 out of 10. Like, that's being generous because I had fun doing it, and that's the only reason it's getting like above a 1. The results though, they kind of speak for themselves. I don't know if it's like just under harsh lighting, and I say harsh lighting as in a ring light right here, and then the 5 AM sun on this side, and then the LED lights on that side. My hair was supposed to be silver. Silver or gray. Does that look silver? I don't think orange counts as silver, so nah. Like, the more I look at it, the more poopy it looks, and silver is not poopy. If you want to do your hair, don't do it at home. Don't bleach your hair 6 times in 2 days, and if you're gonna dye it, I would recommend choosing an easier color, maybe a darker color or a more bright color, because poopy. I hope you enjoyed watching me fuck up my hair, and if you did, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye!